Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be short. It's about the big numbers, more than 100, and also about the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, and so on. So for the hundreds, we have 100. That was the last number we learned. And then 101 is 101. We are going to add this TO, 101, 102, and so on, 103, 104, until you reach 200. Then you say 200. Um, all the hundreds, 200, can be also feminine, 200, if it's just feminine things. Eh, and then you can carry on 201, 202, 203, 204, and so on until 300. 300, yeah. As you can see, is dos, the number two, cientos. Three, tres, cientos, yeah. Cuatro, cientos, yeah, so it's not that difficult. 200, 300, 400. And these ones are different. 500 is not 500, it's gonna be 500. Yeah, 501, 502, 503, 504 until you hit 600. 600 is normal again. 600. Then 700 is different. It's not 700, it's 700. 700, 1, 702, 703, until you reach 800. 800, normal. 801, 802, and then 900. This one is different. It's not 900, it's 900. Good. With this, we do 999, that will be 999, and then we reach 1000. 1000 is mil. Please don't say uno mil or stuff like that. In English, I know it's 1000, but in Spanish, it's just mil. Same goes for cien. Please don't say uno cien, 100. It's just cien. Then we do 200, dos mil. So you just add the word mil after the number, pretty easy. Like in English, 2000, 3000, 4000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, so and so on. 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 100,000, 200,000, 200,000, and so on. And then we reach the million. So thousands are easy, right? You just add the mil after the number, and that's it. Un millón. Un millón is 1 million. Funny thing, after 1 million is 2 millions. So we do it plural, 2 millions. So we are going to use the millones, dos millones. I know in English is 2 million, 3 million, but in Spanish we are going to use millones. 2 millones, 3 millones, 4 millones, 5 millones, until mil millones. I know mil millones is a billion in English, a billion. Uh, but in Spanish, you can go on. Mil millones, dos mil millones, tres mil millones, cuatro mil millones, 4 billion. Yeah. You can even reach 999,000 million, which is 999 billion. That would be 999 mil millones. Yeah. Good. What do we learn these numbers? Well, it happens that there are many countries like Chile, Colombia, where the currencies are in pesos and are big. So we're talking about thousands of pesos. If you buy a bottle of water, it could be 500 pesos, or also in Mexico, it could be, in the order of hundreds or thousands. So it's good that you're used to these amounts, especially when you receive your change. The change is going to be, I don't know, maybe 20,500 something, and you, because it's a big number, you don't want to think about it, so you just receive any money they give you. So that's not good. They can actually give you less money than you that they should. So pay attention to these numbers also. The ordinal numbers: first, primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo, décimo primero, décimo segundo, décimo tercero, décimo cuarto. I think if you learn the first five numbers, ordinal numbers, is okay. If you want to learn the rest of them till the 10th, then it's good. Uh, why is it blue here? For first and third, when we add a noun, we and if the noun is masculine, we are just gonna say primer or tercer. Let's say perro. Perro is masculine singular. So my first dog. Mi primer perro. Mi segundo perro, mi tercer perro, mi cuarto perro, mi quinto perro, mi sexto perro, mi séptimo perro, mi octavo perro. The rest is normal. It's just for first and third. If you put the noun afterwards, and if it's masculine and singular, it's going to be primer or tercer. If you don't put the noun, it's normal. Primero, tercero. Yeah? El primero, el tercero, the first one, the third one. All these can be feminine. It could be primera, segunda, tercera, cuarta, quinta, sexta, if you're talking about a female thing. Okay, I hope you enjoy this. You'll learn a lot. To practice this, you're going to do your quiz of flashcards first of all, also notes and writing, and then you're gonna go. And every time you buy something, every time you go to a store, listen to what the person says and the change. So it's gonna say 3,500 or 26,200 or 652, whatever the person says. Pay attention to what they say. Ask for the receipt, it's called recibo, and compare what the receipt says. I mean, against what you heard. Yeah, so, oh, I heard this. Is that actually the number that is written down here? Do this thousands of times. Enjoy that. Okay, hope you have fun doing this at the stores. And yeah, see you in the next video lesson. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.